class. Today we are doing GreenP4.2. Okay, let's begin. We want to write the percents as decimals. Okay, keeping in mind that we have a percent, which means hundredth. Okay, which means we would locate our decimal point and move it 2 places to the left. Okay, so when we are exchanging our percent sign for a decimal point, we start from where the decimal point is and move 2 to the left. 1, 2. And therefore we have 1.60 as our decimal. Okay, here, once again, we locate our decimal point and exchange our place for 2 steps to the left, all right, to rid ourselves of the percent sign and identify our decimal value. So here we go, 1, 2. So that's 003. That would be our decimal value equivalent to this percent, okay? Now, let's move on here. Here it asks us to write the decimal as a percent. So now in this case, we have a decimal. And if we're moving to the left to exchange our percent symbol for a decimal, then we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the right to exchange it for a percent sign. So here's our decimal, and we go 1, 2, and that gives us 49%. Here on number 8, we go 1, 2, that gives us 88.1%. Okay, now let's look at number 10. Write each percent as a fraction in simplest form and as a decimal. Okay, so let's take a look. If we exchange our percent sign by relocating our decimal, we go 1, 2. So here that gives us our decimal value. But our fractional value is over 1,000. And then we simplify, okay? So we ask ourselves, how many 5s are in 155? We divide by 5, and we have 31. How many 5s are in 1,000? We have 200, okay? Let's move forward. Number 12 reads, people with severe hearing loss were giving a sentence and a word recognition test 6 months after they got implants in their ears. The patient scored an average of 82% on the test. Write this percent as a decimal. So 82%, we want to exchange this for a decimal. So we locate our decimal value, decimal point, which would be at the back because we do not see it any other location, and we move 2 to the left, 1, 2, and therefore our decimal is 82 hundredths. Okay, see you in the morning.